Are you putting in the effort, working out, eating better, but still not seeing the scale move? Don't worry, you're not alone. Taking care of your body goes beyond burning calories. It's about understanding balance, physical, mental, and emotional. When we take care of ourselves holistically, our energy, confidence, and health improve, not just our appearance. There are several reasons you might not be losing weight despite working out. Eating more than you think. Exercise can increase appetite, and sometimes post-workout snacks cancel out calorie deficits. Hidden calories, sugary drinks, sauces, and healthy processed foods can add up. Not enough sleep. Poor sleep raises cortisol, a stress hormone that increases fat storage. High stress. Chronic stress leads to emotional eating and slows metabolism. Lack of recovery. Overtraining without rest can trigger inflammation and stall fat loss. Hormonal imbalances. Thyroid issues, PCOS, or menopause can make weight loss difficult. Alcohol and dehydration. These can affect digestion, calorie metabolism, and recovery. Neglecting overall wellness can lead to health conditions like obesity and insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, mental health struggles like anxiety or depression, chronic fatigue, and digestive problems. These conditions don't just affect your waistline, they impact your energy, mood, and long-term health. Here are signs your body might be struggling: constant fatigue or low motivation, weight fluctuations or plateau, increased hunger or sugar cravings, trouble sleeping. Mood swings or irritability, pain, bloating, or slow digestion. These are your body's red flags, signals to reassess your habits, not give up. The solution starts with awareness and adjustment. Track your intake. Use a food log or app to understand your real calorie consumption. Balance your workouts. Mix cardio, strength, and mobility. Prioritize recovery. Include rest days and stretching. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. It's non-negotiable for fat loss and hormone balance. Manage stress. Try meditation, journaling, or nature walks. Hydrate well. Sometimes hunger is actually dehydration. Get professional help. Consult a dietitian or trainer for a personalized plan. Let's talk practical steps for long-term success. Eat a balanced diet with lean proteins, fiber, and whole foods. Practice portion control, not deprivation. Include Zone 2 cardio, light to moderate effort, for fat burning. Strength train 2-4 times per week. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Keep a consistent routine instead of chasing fast results. Schedule regular checkups to monitor health markers like cholesterol and glucose. The concept of calorie balance has been around since the early 1900s, but modern research emphasizes metabolic adaptation, how your body adjusts to dieting or overtraining. Studies from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic show that chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and yo-yo dieting significantly reduce metabolic efficiency. That means your body becomes more resistant to weight loss over time, unless you manage these factors holistically. If you ignore these signs and keep pushing harder without balance, you may experience hormonal burnout, muscle loss instead of fat loss, chronic inflammation, emotional exhaustion, metabolic slowdown. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, injury, or even mental burnout. If the scale isn't moving, remember, progress isn't only about numbers. Your body might be gaining muscle, losing fat, or adjusting hormonally. What matters most is consistency, patience, and overall well-being. Keep showing up for yourself. Nourish your body, rest your mind, and move with purpose. Because health isn't a sprint, it's a lifelong journey. This video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider before making significant lifestyle changes. Final takeaway. Don't chase fast results, build healthy habits that last.